Every year, responsible vehicle owners invest a lot of time and money into the maintenance of their vehicle to make sure it stays on the road. But one thing that owners don't have much control over is the quality of fuel they put in the tank. Gasoline and diesel fuels often contain harmful particles that can cause expensive damage to the vehicle's fuel delivery system. An engine's only line of defense against these particles is the fuel filter. Well-designed fuel filters remove harmful particles and debris from the vehicle's fuel to provide consistent engine performance and help prevent expensive repairs to the vehicle's fuel delivery system. K&N's premium line of gas and diesel fuel filters are designed to improve engine performance by providing excellent filtration. Even when consistently exposed to extremely low-quality fuel, the proprietary blend of premium pleated filter media will continue to provide protection to your fuel system for many miles. K&N fuel filters are designed to directly replace the factory filter with no modification to the factory mounting system. The filters are made from high-quality materials to create a durable, heavy-duty filter that can hold up to extreme conditions. K&N makes fuel filters for many popular applications of gas and diesel engines. Get one for your vehicle and start enjoying better protection and better performance today.